All right, boys and girls, welcome to day 4 of daily math. All right, so let's look at our decimals, okay? We have 2/10 and 4/10. I'm going to rewrite these as fractions since that's what we've been doing, 2/10 and 4/10. And you might be able to tell which one's greater by doing it this way. If I have 10 pieces and I shade in 2, and I have 10 pieces and shade in 4, which one has more shaded? You can also think about this as the butterfly method. This would be 40, and this would be 20. And so you can clearly see that 40 is on the side of 4/10, so 4/10 is greater. So 2/10 is less than 4/10. Think about this as money too, 20 cents versus 40 cents. All right, 6/100ths. All right, so we've talked about a little bit, not only in daily math, where the hundredths place is. And the hundredths place, and notice I'm saying hundredths with the TH, is 2 places after the decimal. So when we look up here, we don't have any tenths. So we have to put a 0 there. We don't have any whole numbers, which comes right before the decimal. And we have 6/100ths. So to write this as a decimal, it's just 0.06. You can also write it without the 0 in the front, but you definitely have to have this 0 right here. If not, the difference would be 6 pennies versus 60 pennies. So be careful with that. All right, write the equation. Vanessa has 10 stickers. Tara has 6 times as many stickers as Vanessa. How many stickers does Tara have? All right, so the equation is just going to be 10 stickers times 6 times as many. So 10 times 6, which gives you 60. How many stickers does Tara have? Tara has 60 stickers. All right, whoops, ERS. Last problem. All right, so this one we can't just start subtraction with our whole numbers because we have to look at our fractions first. If I do that, then I can't end up doing 1/3 minus 2/3. So I'm going to have to convert this to an improper fraction, okay? So the way that we do that, which I haven't taught you how to do this yet, is 5 times 3, which is 15, plus your 1, okay? So 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1 is 16. So we get 16/3, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on this side. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 is 8. So we get 8/3. And now we can subtract. 16 minus 8 is 8. And the 3 stays the same. And if we want to convert it back to a mixed number, you just do your number bond. All right, and we would get 3/3. And I can do 3/3 again because 3 plus 3 is 6. And then I would have 2/3 left. So double check that your numerators add up to 8. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 2 is 8. So these each equal 1, so this would equal 2 and 2/3. All right, I hope that makes sense. I will talk to you more about this. I know that one was a little hard and a little tricky, but we will talk more about that. And there are other ways to solve it that I may show you as well. So I will see you next week for more daily math.